We'll guide you through how to find archived text messages on Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you went and archived it as you didn't want it in your main inbox, but now you do. You want to go and check the messages or even go and get it back in your inbox. We'll guide you through how this can be done. So come into your Messages app like so. What I'm going to do here is go and archive one so I can show you what we can do. So what you can then now do is go and press the profile icon in the top right. Now come down into the section More from this app and you'll find the option for archived. And you're then going to find the different archived ones here. You can go and tap on them and go and read them. And you could go and send a message. But what we can do is go and tap and hold it to select it. And then you can go and press this one, select multiple, and this will then go and move it back. It'll go and say conversations unarchived, and it's going to be in your main inbox again. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.